QuickBooks Error 6073. 2 Quick Solutions. Solution 1. Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1. Close QuickBooks and open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2. If you don't have it, download and install it from the official website. Step 3. In the Tool Hub, select Company File Issues. Step 4. Then, select Quick Fix My File and it'll take some time to fix the issue. Step 5. Click OK once done. Step 6. Next, click on Run QuickBooks File Doctor and wait for it configure. Step 7. Enter the user ID and password, then click Continue. Step 8. QuickBooks Tool Hub will take some minutes to repair and diagnose. Step 9. Once done, open QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. Solution 2. Manually resolve the error. If the company file is open in single user mode in a workstation. Step 1. Once done, open QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. Step 2. Open QuickBooks and the company file on the host computer. Step 3. Go to File and select Switch to multi-user mode. Step 4. If you are still getting the same error, reboot all the workstations. If the company file is open in single user mode on the host computer. Step 1. Go to the File menu and select Close Company. Step 2. Reopen the company file. Step 3. Go to the File menu and select Open or Restore Company. Step 4. Select Open a company file and then Next. Step 5. Select your company file. Step 6. Check the Open File in Multi-User Mode box and click Open. If the company file is located in a read-only network folder. Step 1. Go to the computer that's hosting your company file and open File Explorer. Step 2. Right-click on your company file folder and select Properties. Step 3. Go to the Security tab. Step 4. Select the user that's having issues to use and click Edit. Step 5. Check Allow for full control. Step 6. Then click on Apply and OK to save the changes. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902988 +44 800 0548 150.